Okay, so today we're going to unbox these 4 dinosaurs, and we're just going to get right into it, and we're going to do the SKORPIOVENATOR first. Let's get all these bad boys over here. We're just going to do this one first, the SKORPIOVENATOR. And we have done it. We have got the tail. Okay. Yeah. Got the tail. Now all I need to do is get the dinosaur. Okay, so the feet of the dinosaur, I'm pretty sure, are stuck to the bottom. So I'm going to try to open this up so we can do that. Yes, just as I suspected. Ah! Just as I suspected. Something down here. Oh! Why does this in the back of the box? It made no sense. Okay. Instructions say to lift this black part, I think. Yes. Now his feet are officially freed, as we can see. Just leaping for joy. Okay, we have got him, or her, whatever it is, out. The SKORPIOVENATOR. So now, we don't need these anymore. Now all we need to do is put the SKORPIOVENATOR's tail on the dinosaur, which would not be easy. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Now we have the SKORPIOVENATOR as a bonus with a tail. So, and yeah, this is it. This is the dinosaur. Neat. And when you press this, or when you hold this down, its jaw goes down. Its jaw goes like this. Chomp, chomp. And its little arms can move like this for some reason. And its legs can move, not forward. Its tail is allowed to go in weird shapes and sizes and start to spin. And this is the scan code. Shot. And it makes noise. That's always a plus. Now we can put this guy over here, and then we will do the NASUTOCERATOPS. Wait. Let me do this. So now we're gonna do the NASUTOCERATOPS. So 360 view. Okay. Alright. So we're gonna cut these. Snap. Snap. And wait. He's trapped. And bam! Easy. Okay, now the baby NASUTOCERATOPS is out. And it's cool. And its head moves up and down in the 360 view. And he's cute. Or it's a girl, I don't know. And yeah, he has a scan code. Oh yeah. Ah, there we go. Here's the scan code. And it has a little baby tail that cannot move. And it has little tiny little limbs that can move. Okay. Yep, and this is the dinosaur. And all its the dinosaur glory. So he'll go right next to the dinosaur who shall not be named. So now we're going to move on to the EDMONTOSAURUS. So this should be easy. Easier said than done. Oh. This is the EDMONTOSAURUS. Yes, he is very nice. And if you press on this, and you can go like that, and you can go like this. If you move its tail up, down, side to side, not basically anywhere you want. And yeah, its limbs can move in strange ways. Yeah, and all its limbs can move. And this is the scan code. I will show it to you now. There he is. There he is. Or it's a she. I don't know. Standing next to all the other dinosaurs. Because nowhere else to put them. And our last and certainly almost least, we have the ATROCIRAPTOR. Or the ATROCIRAPTOR. I don't really know. So we're going to open her up. Or it's he. I don't know. So I'm gonna snap these lines. One has been snapped, and the other also has been snapped. So now we just easier said than done. So now we have the ATROCIRAPTOR or the ATROCIRAPTOR. I don't really know. Here is it in all of its raptor glory. Its tail can move. Its tail can move. Its limbs can move, its neck can move, its jaw can move, its arms can move. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. And here's the scan code. Yeah. There we go. Got here scissors. Can I put them on top? That's enough. Okay. So, goodbye. I hope you had a good time watching. And don't forget, if you already forgot, to hit the like and subscribe button, because they're buttons you should press. And yeah, that's it. Goodbye.